The 2025 Forex market offers massive global liquidity and the ability to trade algorithmically 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It is easy to feel overwhelmed by the technical complexity, especially while being targeted by ads claiming you can build wealth with a few taps on a smartphone. Surviving the learning curve requires a sober look at the actual requirements. This comparison shows that while the industry markets $10 accounts and mobile-only setups, the reality of consistent trading requires desktop analysis and a $200 buffer. Successful platform selection focuses on finding an ecosystem that prioritizes risk transparency and data depth over simple, colorful interfaces. We are using the FXNX platform as our example today because it integrates standard MetaTrader 4 software with specific risk management calculators, allowing us to see how these professional tools function. Acknowledging this operational baseline early on provides the necessary scaffolding to protect your capital while you develop your skills. Many brokers attract new users by offering a $10 or $50 minimum deposit. This low entry point comes with a trade-off. You can technically place a trade, but have almost no financial room to withstand standard market volatility. Professional risk management dictates that a trader should never risk more than 1 to 2% of their total balance on a single position. This diagram shows the math in action. A typical market swing instantly consumes the $10 account bar. The $200 account absorbs that exact same price movement. Starting with $200 allows you to trade microlots, staying well below the 2% risk threshold. A minimum deposit serves as your mathematical runway for survival while you learn the market's mechanics. Developing a strategy begins by spending 2 to 4 weeks strictly within a risk-free demo account. This phase builds mastery over order execution and leverage without risking your personal funds. However, staying in a demo environment for too long creates a different problem. It delays the psychological conditioning required to manage real-world stress. Transitioning to a small live account is necessary to experience the emotional reality of managing capital. While a demo account builds technical competence, only a live account can develop emotional discipline. Many traders rely entirely on mobile apps for convenience and 24-hour access to the markets. Relying exclusively on a phone sacrifices the screen size and drawing tools required for detailed analysis. This side-by-side comparison illustrates the risk. The vertical smartphone view shows a price movement resembling a random spike. The wide desktop provides necessary context. A historical trend line drawn across the desktop reveals the spike perfectly hit a historical resistance barrier, showing clear trade opportunities. Mobile apps work well for monitoring active trades, but primary technical analysis requires a desktop setup to avoid trading without proper context. Traders can leverage educational hubs like NX Learn alongside algorithmic pattern recognition tools to identify signals. This combination speeds up identifying trading setups and provides a structured learning path for beginners. A danger for novices is becoming dependent on these software hints rather than developing a personal understanding of market behavior. Use AI signals as prompts to verify patterns on your own charts. This turns the tool into a learning aid rather than an automated command. AI works best as a mentor that highlights specific setups for your own review and validation. Before executing any trades, verify the broker's regulatory standing with authorities like MISA, the FCA, or SISEC. This ensures your capital is held in segregated accounts. You should also look for negative balance protection. This visualizes a violent market crash. The data line hits a protective floor, preventing further falls. This structural safeguard ensures a trader can never lose more money than they have deposited, even during extreme volatility. Technical strategies are only effective if the broker is legally and structurally required to protect your funds during systemic events. In 2025, regulated brokers provide the tools, but the trader must provide the operational discipline. This matrix maps trading survival. The vertical axis is discipline, the horizontal is capital. Bottom left, the impatient gambler, using $10 deposits, quickly depletes their capital. Top right, the methodical learner uses a $200 buffer and disciplined analysis, creating a steady upward trajectory. High-performance trading systems are designed to scale with this specific, methodical approach to the market. Treat your first platform as a rigorous learning environment. Respect the mathematical risks and build your foundation slowly.